and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. And today we've got Benjamin Miller here. And last time he was on the show, he surprised us by bringing a special pepper of his own to the show and decided he was going to eat that. And I thought I'd bring you back, Ben, so that you can explain to everybody just exactly what these peppers are and why you enjoy eating them.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Well,
welcome, man.
Yeah, appreciate it. It's great to be back. Last time was quite a ride.
Yeah. So last time, I surprised you with a spicy California jalapeno.
Right, which are good, but they're not spicy.
Well, for me. And then I said, okay, I'm gonna dip into the private stock and I'm gonna get you the infamous habanero.
Habanero, which I think is one of the best tasting peppers.
Okay, all right. So I did good.
Yeah, but it's not that hot.
Okay. So then you decided you were going to go with a pepper that you brought.
Right.
Okay, and you that the name rolled off your tongue. What was it again?
That was the ghost pepper.
Okay. And do you want to?
Yeah, I'll show it here. This is the ghost pepper, and it comes from India.
Okay.
These peppers are actually so hot that they plant them around the fields, the rice fields, and it keeps the elephants away because elephants have excellent memory, and they'll eat one when they're young, and that whole experience will just keep them away from the rice fields forever. So
you're kind of just whipping that around like it's nothing. Now, last time you were here, you ate one of those ghost peppers.
Yes.
And do you think that you will remember that experience?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Will you go on the rice paddy?
No, I'm staying away.
Nice. Okay, and what are these other peppers?
And this one, where you mentioned the whipping it around, this is actually the scorpion pepper. Okay. And it's named for that because it has a little bit of comes to a point that looks a bit like a scorpion's tail.
I see that.
These come from Trinidad. They're excellent peppers.
Okay.
Not quite as hot as the ghost pepper, but some of them can be very, very hot.
Okay. Well, you keep that over there. And then what is this? What is this last one that you brought?
So this final one that looks, I think, a little bit like a pumpkin.
That looks exactly like a pumpkin.
This is the new, well, relatively new, Carolina Reaper.
Reaper.
Yes. Yeah. This is now the hottest pepper in the entire world.
Okay, so don't move it like you're like dousing me with the Carolina pepper.
You don't like being around these peppers, do you?
Not really. I like being around you,
Good.
But I don't know. So what do you mean they just made it? What do you mean?
Well, it was made by this sort of mad scientist pepper guy, and he was able to genetically breed these peppers to become a new species, and the hottest pepper in the world was created.
So this is like a hybrid.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And so are you going to be eating one of those?
Well, I'm not going to be eating this today.
Okay. Well, that's great. That's great because we don't want to see that again. But you do have, and I'm pretty excited, you do have a show coming up where you will be trying various peppers from various locale. Right. And you'll be, and it's going to be on a show. It's going to be your own show.
Yeah. The idea is to explore these peppers, explore the history and the background behind them. Go, meet the people that cook them and grow them.
Meet the elephants.
And eat them. So, and I hope that we can have you on.
Oh, that'd be fantastic, except for the eating part. I mean, I'll hold them with your hand, and I'll. They do look like very small little pumpkins, but they look like they probably could pack a serious punch.
They're small and cute.
Yeah, yeah, and you keep just shaking them around like. So it's just I'm going to be honest with you, okay? You know, the last time you were here and you ate the ghost pepper, which now we find out is not even the hottest pepper, I had nightmares for weeks. So you having a new improved, I don't know if it's improved, but a new species of evolved peppers in your hand, it just scares me. But I'm super excited for your show.
Great.
That's going to be fantastic. Everybody make sure you check that out. And then I'm super excited that you were able to come in here and give us a little bit of an education on peppers because to be honest with you, I thought this was the granddaddy.
A lot of people do, but we're out educating, and I think people are learning a lot about peppers and the history behind them and the culinary arts.
Nice, nice. And there are some benefits to eating peppers.
Yeah, you know, it gives you a sort of a euphoric feeling afterwards, and you know, I think it's really very tasty and has a very unique taste that you can't really get anywhere else.
Okay, all right. Well, someday I'll check that out. All right. Well, I appreciate you coming in, man.
Yeah.
I really, really do. And all of you at home, I appreciate you checking in on Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley.